We cannot just shut down a coal plant by 2030. The country needs it. We are in a tight supply situation. We are going to forego 1.8 billion kilowatt hours of output if we shut down a 246 megawatt coal plant. We need to replace that with a hybridized, or what we call a renewable energy storage, integrated renewable energy storage system, which is a combination of wind farm and solar with battery storage, about 1,000 megawatts and 4 to 6 hours of battery. That's what we hypothesize we need to deploy to be operational by 2030 if we are to shut down a coal plant by 2030. And that means we need to start building by 2027. It takes 3 years to build such thing. And the prices today of energy storage, that investment on an IRES system, or IRESS, Integrated Renewables and Energy Storage System, that's about $1.5 billion. And the levelized cost of electricity is about 40 to 50% higher than coal. Of course, there's a caveat. One is base load coal, another one is mid-merit. But leaving aside that detail, there is an affordability gap. We need to address that through transition credits. The other gap, the third, is the just transition, as Vikram rightfully points out. We need to decommission the plant responsibly, make sure that it cannot be recommissioned at some future date, and we need to do it responsibly.